Hello, welcome to the unboxing video of the Zombie Hunter 1911 Spring Airsoft Target System Kit, made by Umarex USA, manufacturer number 2278034. This is how it comes packaged in the clam pack. It comes with the how-to instructions on setting up your target. It comes with a manufacturer instruction booklet, a do not return this product to store policy information, an airsoft gun registration card. It comes with an easy setup gel zombie target. It has a BB catcher tray in the bottom. It comes with 400 rounds of 6mm BBs. It also comes with a 1911 Airsoft spring pistol. It's made out of high-strength polymer construction. It has textured paneled grips. It does have a rear slide action, on-frame safety. It has non-adjustable front and rear sights. It shoots 6mm BBs with a velocity of 360 feet per second. It is single shot. It also comes with a 12-round magazine. Again, the target system comes with your 1911 Airsoft pistol, your 400 rounds of BBs, and your zombie gel target. Again, this has been the unboxing video for the Zombie Hunter 1911 Spring Airsoft Target System Kit, made by Umarex USA, manufacturer number 2278034.